Now let's write letter big and small M. Yes? What's the sound of M? Very good. Look, the capital letter M starts from down here, goes up again, M, and the small m goes like this. 1, 2 loops. Again, the capital letter M goes like this, and the small letter 1, 2 loops. Did you enjoy? Look carefully. When you write, write carefully. M, and this is small letter M. Capital letter M goes like this, and the small letter goes like this. What's the next one? N, capital letter N, small letter N. The sound N, curved. Now N is half of M. Easy to write. Look, 1 and 2, small letter N. Okay? Now look, 1, yes, capital letter, small letter N. Capital letter N, small letter N. Yes? Look, capital letter N and small letter N. Very easy, isn't it? Next, O. Big and small letters, O. What is the sound of O? O. Good. Now, O will stand on the 3 lines, okay? O. And the small o begins like this and goes like this. Yes? Good. The capital O goes like this and the small o is like this. The capital O stands on the 3 lines and the small o between the 2 lines here. Again, the capital O stands on this, small o stands between the 2 lines. Next is P. What's the sound? Per. Capital P. Look, this is capital P and the small p goes like this. The capital P is like this and the small p goes up and down. That is, the capital P is like this and the small p goes up and down like this. Did you enjoy? Let's go on. Next letter, Q. Sound qua. Q. Now, the Q is something like O, but there's a loop. Q, big Q, and small q is like this. The capital Q is like this, and the small q is like this. The capital Q is like this, and the small q, P, small p, capital letter Q, and small letter q. Next, R. What's the sound of R? R. Both capital and small letter. Let's try. R is like P, something like that, and the small r is like this. The capital R goes like this, and the small r is like this. And the capital R like this, and the small r is like this. The capital R, this, and small r. Yes? Now you need to practice a lot. Only then you will get the correct formation. Did you enjoy writing letters big and small? Good. Now let's learn to write capital S, big and small. Let's write. Yes, S, letter S. What's the sound of S? Very good. So now S will start from here. Big letter. Now when you write, write slowly and nicely. It goes right up to the red line on the top. S. And the small s is like this. Capital S goes like this. And the small s like this. The capital S goes like this. And small letter s like this. The capital S goes like this. And the small letter s like this. Good. Next, what are we going to write? T, turtle. Capital T, small t. The capital T is very nice. T and the small t doesn't touch the top. That's it. The capital T is like this. The small t doesn't touch the top. That's it. T. Capital T, small t. Capital T, small t. Isn't it easy? Good. Next, U, U, capital and small letter U. This is capital letter U and this is small letter U. This is capital U and this is small letter U. The capital U and the small letter U. Capital U, small letter U. Yes. Now what shall we write? V, capital V. The capital V goes like this and small v like this. The capital V goes like this and the small v like this. The capital V goes like this. The capital V and small v. Okay, good. Now let's write the letter W, big and small. What's the sound of W? Water. Okay. Look, W, we begin from here, up and down. Okay? And the small w goes like this. Yes, the capital letter W goes like this. And the small one, W, goes like this. The capital W goes like this. And the small w like this. Capital W, up and down, and this is small w. And now what's the next letter? X, capital X. What's the sound of X? Very good. So the X goes capital X and the small x like this. Okay? Capital X and small x. Okay? The capital X goes like this and the small letter x like this. Now, the capital X goes like this and the small x goes like this. Good. Next, what's the next letter we're going to write? Y. Good. The Y, we start from here. We'll use the full line and small y like this. The capital Y goes like this and the small y like this. The capital Y Yes. And the small y, good. The capital Y, and this is the small y. Finally, what are we left with? Now we need to write letter. The last letter is Z. Good. Both capital and small. What's the sound? Z. Very good. So, capital Z. Capital Z. Okay? And the small z like this. The capital Z like this. Come here. And the small z is like this. The capital Z and the small z, the capital Z and the small z goes like this. Okay? Now we learn to write the big and small letters.